Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mycelial reactor. This incredible machine is designed to generate a massive amount of energy, providing up to 25 million redstone flux per tick. To achieve this impressive output, it relies on a network of 16 to 20 specialized mycelial generators. Each of these generators must be actively running and consuming its unique resources at all times for the main reactor to function. Building your mycelial reactor begins in a dissolution chamber, requiring advanced materials like plastic, netherite ingots, and a nether star. Once crafted, place the main reactor in a central location. Around it, arrange all 16 to 20 distinct mycelial generators. The key is to establish a reliable system that continuously feeds each individual generator its specific input, whether it's coal, lava, or enchanted books, to keep them operational. Maintaining continuous operation is crucial for your mycelial reactor. You must automate the delivery of resources to each of the many generators, ensuring they never run out of fuel. Equally important is preventing any single generator from becoming full of power, as this will cause it to stop working. Implement energy trash cans or dedicated power sinks for each generator to continuously drain their output, keeping them actively processing materials. With all generators running smoothly, your mycelial reactor will unleash its full potential, generating an incredible 25 million redstone flux every tick. This immense power output is perfect for fueling your most complex and demanding automated systems, from large-scale factories to advanced machinery. You'll know your reactor is fully active and working efficiently by the distinctive, vibrant visual effect that appears above it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.